Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna take a look at a coin called Brett today. I don't know much about this. I think it's just a meme coin on base. But yeah, the chart just looks too good, too easy to trade that I figured I'd just point it out to you. Now, I'm currently on the daily time frame. And actually, before I get into the chart analysis, a couple of things I should mention. First, if you want a place to trade this and you don't want to have to go through a KYC process, you can head over here using the link in the pinned comment and the description. This exchange is called BloFin. As of right now, they're not going to require you to submit your identification. I know most centralized exchanges are doing that now. This is one of the few options you have if you wanted to trade on a centralized exchange, but also maintain some of your privacy. Okay, so links for this in the pinned comment and the description. If you sign up through those links, you can get a deposit bonus. Another thing I should mention is that if you use Telegram, and if you're in crypto, you probably do, there's an airdrop for a meme coin. It's called Dogs. Very, very easy to get. I did a video outlining the process a couple days ago. So I'm going to link that video in the pinned comment and the description of this video as well. If you want to check it out and learn how you can claim your tokens, you should do that because it's very easy to do. Basically free money. All right, so back to this Brett chart. Pretty self-explanatory just by looking at it. You have this downsloping level of resistance. You have this upsloping level of support. This is known as a symmetrical triangle. And as you probably noticed just by looking at it here, we are sitting on a support, this lower upsloping support line. That's where the price is right now. So the obvious play from here would be a long with a stop loss likely below this wick right here. And then the take profit target on that would be at this upper resistance line, right? So let's map that out. See if we'd be able to get a good risk reward ratio on this. So if we entered right here, place a stop loss below this wick, set the take profit just shy of the upper resistance line. Yeah, that gives us a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2.32. Meaning for every $1 we risk on this trade, we can potentially get $2.30 in return. Even with the stop loss down around here at slightly over 11 cents, so 0.11342, you'll be risking slightly over 7% on the trade to potentially get just under 17% to the upside. Okay, so pretty good R&R on that. And then obviously if the price comes up to this upper resistance range, that could present an opportunity for a short setup, right? So you would just do the exact same thing above the resistance level and likely above these two wicks right here, and then you would target the downside support level. Okay, now if we end up breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, and when it does break out, more often than not, it'll come back down and retest the broken level of resistance as a support, and that's usually when I like to enter. But the pattern target on this can be determined by just measuring the width of the widest part of the triangle. So you can just measure from the top to the bottom here, and then you would just project this from wherever it breaks out from, right? So theoretically, let's say the price broke out right here on July 30th. We can take this and then put it there, and that would give us an upside target of just over 35 cents. Okay, so around 38 cents upside target if this ends up breaking out. Okay, so that's definitely one to keep an eye on. Now, it's important to note that I think a high percentage of these tokens are held by just a few people, okay? So obviously, if the price does break out of here and starts heading up, I would imagine the people who hold the bulk of these Brett tokens are going to start selling a lot to lock in some profits, right? And then funnel that into some real assets instead of just a meme coin. But this is just something I read online, okay? I don't know much about this coin. All right, now one more thing I want to point out. You'll notice this lower level of support is drawn from the wicks, but a lot of people who are looking at this, they may have drawn this level of support from the candle bodies, right? So let's change it and draw it from the candle body. And then when I do that, you'll see that we are under the support level, right? So in this case, what I would do, I would take it from the daily time frame down to, let's say, the 1 hour, and then see how the price is responding off of this broken support level when drawn from the candle bodies. All right, now if you wanted to be extra conservative, what you can do if you were looking for a long is you can wait till the price breaks through and starts closing some candles above this newfound resistance line, again based on the candle bodies, right? So when you break a level of support, more often than not it flips to a level of resistance. So yeah, if you just wanted that extra little bit of confirmation, you can wait for at least some hourly candle closes above here before targeting the upper range all the way up here. Okay, so zooming back out, I think that pretty much sums everything up. That's just a quick overview on Brett. I'm not telling you guys to invest in this and hold it for the long term. I know absolutely nothing about the fundamentals of this, and more often than not, the meme coins have no fundamentals whatsoever, aside from maybe a strong community. But a clean chart is a clean chart, so yeah, it's definitely tradable. All right, so hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I drop new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. Also, if you want a place to trade this, as I mentioned, you can head on over here using the links in the description. And if you sign up using those links, it's going to activate a deposit bonus for you. And if you use Telegram and you want to get some free tokens for another meme coin called Dogs, you should watch the video tutorial I made on how to do that. Again, that's going to be linked in the pinned comment and description. Free money, easy to claim. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.